Okay, so let's see how can we download Wunderlist for our desktop, for our laptop. Okay, so you can also press here on the download Wunderlist button, or you can go all the way in the top where you see the download page. So just click that. And here we have multiple versions of Wunderlist available for your operating system. For Windows, you can see we have two versions, Windows 7 and Windows 8 and Windows 10. I highly recommend you the Windows 7 or 8 version because it has a lot of new features and available for editing a task or a list or a folder. In Windows 10 we don't have all of that. In Windows 10 a lot of features are automated, so we like to have control of our lists and our projects, and I recommend you download the Windows 7 version. If you have an Android phone, you can also click here and you'll be redirected to the page where you can download Android in your phone, directly on your phone, or you can download the APK, the application for Android, and you can copy it in your phone with a cable and install it from there. Of course, you can also add Chrome to your browser. As you can see, I use Chrome. And this is the best extension out there in Chrome for task management. If I ever see a website I want to read later, an article I want to read later, maybe some images I want to download, but not right now, I can quickly press the Add to Wunderlist button, and it automatically adds that link to my Wunderlist. We also have a Wunderlist new tab available only for Chrome. I don't recommend using that one because you already have Wunderlist in 3 locations. You have on your phone, on your tablet, and on your PC. You don't need another location for Wunderlist. 3 is enough. And also you can sign up to the newsletter to receive updates on versions. So just download the desired version, maybe for Mac, maybe for Windows, or maybe for your iPhone or iPad, and we'll see you after that.